Amazing morning, everybody. Ako po ang inyong nag-iisang Barley Queen. I would like to use this opportunity to tell everybody about the problems that we've been encountering recently. Marami na po talagang mga fake barley na lumalabas sa market. Lalong-lalo na po pati mga fake boxes natin, fake sachets, sobrang ginagaya na po. Kaya mag-iingat po tayo dahil sayang po ang pera na ginagastos ninyo for your health. Kaya po medyo may kamahalan ng ating barley. It is 100% organic from Australia. Ito po ay GMO-free, gluten-free, at napakaganda talaga po para sa inyong mga health. So please, huwag kayong bibili sa mga fake sellers. Make sure na may ID and legitimate distributor po ng I Am Worldwide to be sure that you are not being faked. Okay? Thank you again, and remember, don't waste your money.